She always thought she never was pretty. I thought she was. I'm sure it was a frustration for her. We were very different. She was a poor farm girl. I was a city boy. I was a hard-headed Norwegian. She was stubborn German. We still were able to get along all right. But we stuck together the whole time. I loved her the whole time. And I think she loved me the whole time. I miss her. I miss her a lot. I would give a donation to renovate these rooms each year anyway, and I thought, well, you know, we got some extra money from some life insurance, but I just thought it would be a really neat thing to do, that it'd leave her kind of a legacy.
We had an alum from Washington State call, and she wanted to get her siblings together, and she asked if they could sponsor a room for her parents. And so, sure. And we calculated out sort of the cost of the room plus the cost of the furniture. And then when Mr. Dahlman called and asked about doing something in honor of his wife who had recently passed away, he wanted her specific room. That was important to him. And so things worked out just right, and I'm just so thankful that Maranatha was going to do the set of rooms that included hers.
Go to work. I just think this was a real special time. They did not know each other before Union College. They each came here from a different state, and this is the place where they got acquainted. This was where he wanted to pay honor to that meeting that they had that led to just a wonderful lifetime together. Those kinds of things that were important in his life will actually continue for others, so he was happy to help make a nice living area possible for the young ladies that will be living in that room in the future.
She was a real jewel. She made something of her life, did a really good job of it.